Hi everybody, welcome back. Dr. Bacon.
Chris Goodson.
Supplements.
Sizzle.
Here we are. Welcome back. We're doing a little all-female stuff. This is the women. This is our moms, everybody out there. It's Mother's Day coming around the corner.
That's right.
We're talking today really about post-pregnancy.
Yeah.
Think about it. I mean, come on. Women, did you just go through quite a bit of an experience there? Any stress involved with that? For the past 9 months, even before that? Sorry.
Right.
Yeah. But here we are
Just
now.
amplified during 9 months after. Yeah.
And so this postpartum, this taking care of post-pregnancy, what can we do to support you? And here's what's really neat. It's kind of about that supporting the body, the endocrine system, to really kind of make it go,
Yeah.
oh, I get it.
Yeah.
I've just delivered a real, live human being.
Right.
Yes.
So.
However, whichever way it came out. Either way, it's now there, heart's beating, and here we go moving forward. So let's talk about a couple of products that we would use or recommend for people going through this post-pregnancy.
Yep.
We're going to start off with one real easy. Hypothalmex, because I'm going to talk about the stress response. Hypothalmex. Here we go,
You
Chris.
got it. I mean, this is very specific support for our hypothalamus gland, which is kind of our top general in the endocrine system. You know, our hypothalamus then talks to the pituitary, and then talks to the thyroid and the adrenals, and it just goes top down.
Works its way all the way down.
Works its way down the stairs. And so, but if you can support the hypothalamus gland very specifically, you're going to support endocrine function
all the way down.
All the way down, and that's a big deal, particularly after mom has been through
quite
an ordeal.
Yes, well, and you're probably not getting a lot of sleep too after we're done with that.
Right.
So I've heard, at least from the women I take care of in here. So yes, and it's so true that it's really about that. We like that waterfall effect. Like if I hit way up high, maybe it trickles down and hits all those stones on the way down. Hypothalamus is a great product to kind of work on that.
Absolutely.
Next thing I want to talk about is Min-Chex, buddy. Min-Chex. Good golly.
Oh man,
such a simple product.
Yeah, it's a simple product, but it's phenomenal. It's two products in one. It's your Min-Tran, which is some of your great minerals, calcium, and your trace minerals from sea kelp, and then Or-Chex, which is, you know, got a lot of different things in it. Magnesium, orchid glandular extract, spleen, liver, B vitamins, iodine, just on and on and on, right?
Yeah.
All kinds of great stuff.
Sign me up.
But at the end of the day, right? I know. It just helps ease those temporary effects of stress, which is what we're talking about right here, you know? And so for me, anybody who's dealing with like this chronic stress, or even just something that's a temporary stressor.
Well, right, and that first couple of months after having a baby, there's going to be some stress there. You're going to get lots of sleep, Chris? Probably not.
No.
So there's a lot going on. Min-Chex would be a great way to kind of balance it out.
I call it having a Min-Chex moment.
Yes, nice, nice. Okay, next one, the last product we're going to talk about. We got to go with a little meatier. Here we go, Carry Bone. Good one right here. Let's talk about Wild Yam, please.
Wild Yam complex, meaning there's going to be a few different products, or a few different herbs rather in this. Things like St. John's wort, of course, wild yam, shatavari, sage, ginseng, a lot of different things. But really with wild yam, it does an awful lot for women dealing with stress, but also dealing with cycle and menstruation. And we're talking about even coming off of giving birth. Guess what? It doesn't just stop. We get right back into the cycle.
Trying to help support it.
We're going to support it with something like wild yam. So it's great. It eases the stress on the mom, the woman who's dealing with it, but it also helps with, you know, supporting healthy cycles for the woman, right? And it'll even deal with some of the pain and discomfort that comes with the cycle.
Normal cycles.
So I really like Wild Yam Complex. It's a great product. A lot of our doctors use this quite a bit.
Yeah, and it's a great one in the practice. We use this for all ages too. You know, like even the post-pregnancy, but also people getting closer to menopause and things like that. So listen, we just want you guys to understand that there's so many things that you can do to support the body. The problem is we're just running around going, I don't know what to do. Well, here we go. Hopefully this information kind of wakes you up to a couple of different ideas so that maybe we can kind of make some changes, and then you can share this with somebody else as you go through this. Start to feel better.
Absolutely.
So Chris, thank you very much for your time.
You got it, Doc.
We appreciate you guys paying attention, and we'll see you again on the next Supplement Sizzle. Thanks.